I'm talking about the time management book. So, uh, if we talk about time management, in larger phase we have total 4 phases of life. Like first phase is for childhood, then it is for education, then it is for work, and then it is for um, retirement or uh, something like that. So we have total 4 phases of life, and we have time accordingly. And in a day we have 8 hours of sleep and 2 hours of time for bath and eat. So we have total 14 hours, and if we waste an hour of our day, so how much uh, do we waste actually, that we can calculate from this formula. uh, let's consider the monthly income of ones, and then what we are supposed to do is divide its monthly income by 30, and then divide again 5, then continuation in divide it by 24. So we will get the time value we have wasted. One can make a budget of time as of money, and one should take care of it as the budget of money or budget of someone else. And also one should do the important tasks first. Then I want to talk again about think straight. One day takes decision on behalf of desires and guts, and we do not always take decisions on the basis of practicality. Can we filter out all unnecessary thoughts and focus on just the necessary thoughts? Thoughts from past never help, thoughts of future never help. And also one should not take decision immediately. One should think and then take the decision. Sometimes it is very useful. Also one should know himself or herself and take steps accordingly, but he or she should not deny to the opportunities. I also read a book related to yoga, so I will tell you some of the benefits of yoga. Like both yoga helps to improve metabolism, and it also helps for muscle strength, and triangle yoga helps for neck mobility and hips mobility as well. Then the book called U-Turn. This book is all about a story of a boy and a girl who dated, and then the girl wanted marriage. The girl kept talking about her sister's happy married life. The sister spread rumors, and the boy and girl did not know about it. This story is with craziness. So in this story, the Kanchan Devi, mother of the prince, called as, and the prince Devendra is a one army man, like, and the Hemangini princess parents welcome the prince, and then I will tell story you when I will read. But I am surely going to read this book because it's interesting, and it has very good narration of the king life, prince life, and queen princess lives. And from the starting in this book, one can develop interest in it. This is such kind of book, so I am surely going to read the full book. I'll tell you what I read from this book. That prince disappointed when he could not find princess at breakfast, and he decided to find her. The princess had sleepless night that day. they went for horse riding. They really had good conversations together. That's it for this video. Thank you. See you. Samira's brother called her and he told her to be safe, and he also told her not to open the door. But Samira forget and she opened the door, and the stranger was there and he told her to go out. He told her that it's time to go. Then Samira realized that he was not a stranger. He was a very well-known person to her, and he was Rishi. He protected her. That's it for this video. Thank you. See you.